These rescue swimmers are incredibly talented, fit individuals. This is a walk in the park compared to what they normally have to do. Because when they're sent out to do an actual search and rescue, most of the time it ends up being at night in horrible weather with high seas, gale force winds, rain, and the cold. Here comes the rescue swimmer back up. That's AST3 Caleb Phippen. Flight mechanic Chris Vogt has now pulled the rescue swimmer into the cockpit.